folks. This is an update on what's new on the junk that I've gotten for the bikes. It's a Honda whatever update. Basically what's new is, I haven't looked at this, but this is supposed to be the Honda 185S seat cover. It's not a 185. What am I saying? It's a Honda 200, 1982 ATC. When am I getting the foam? The foam is coming in December. It's made in Mexico. I'll see how it is. It was cheap. Mexico. It's like this. I'll show you what this thing is here. This goes on here. Somehow. It's supposed to go on here like that. Like that. Like that. That's going to be the new seat cover. Fancy, huh? Look at that. This is the hardback version. Don't worry. So anyway, that's the new seat cover. How boring, right? Yay! Uh-oh. I just broke something. Uh-oh. Got a seat for it. I got something else in my bag of goodies. What the hell just fell down here? Oh, okay. Let's see now. Let's put this down here. We'll put this over there. I got some... What is this? I got hosed in this one. This is 3/8 and... What is this, 1/4 inch? 3/8 inch and 1/4 inch fuel line. 300 PSI. 5 feet. I got sick of buying shit by the inch. It was like, what, $5 or whatever. So, I got 2 of them. That's just fuel line. The thing, I got hosed. Oh, I can make a Madonna bra if you want. I also picked up, I don't like the hand grips on that bike. Got some genuine Honda OEM hand grips that are probably on every freaking Honda. There's 1 and 2 of those. Oh, I did get this. These things. This is the... Seems like every old Honda. There is a little tiny thing in there. This spacer. And there's 2 screws. What are those for? The end caps to go on the end. I think the bike still has them, or I have an extra one. But I'm going to buy some new end caps for it. So that was like, what? $6 for this and $10 for that. I got some big red stuff. Got a K&N 112 filter. In case anybody wants to know what filter goes on a Honda oil filter. I also decided, I don't know how I'm going to tell if these are any good or not, but I also got a 10-pack for almost the same price. Ta-da! 10 of them. Why did I buy 10? Because they were the same price as buying one of these. That's why. So, I'm not sure how I'm going to tell if they're any good or not, but got oil filters. I got some oil. Got a K&N oil filter, which are very expensive compared to these other ones. But I mean, it's better than nothing. And with that said, that's pretty much what's new in my little bag of tricks here. So, there's nothing else really. I don't have any tool reviews this week, and yeah, I do have a Toolie Tuesday video, but I'm not putting it in this video. I'm not showing you because it's not that cool. So anyway, with that said, I'll stop doing karate moves on video. Thanks for watching. If you'd like, subscribe and tell your friends that I have a channel that will probably bore the shit out of most people. But if you're watching, it's probably a good channel. Also, I'm tired as shit. I'm getting bags in my eyes. I'm so tired. I'm like, got up early, over the border, and I'm just like, my eyes are just freaking out. So hopefully I don't look like I'm drunk or anything. Thanks for watching. Toodles.